box fan from an antique store in Ohio. I was in Ohio last week with my other fan buddies.
We have an interesting fan that's kind of new in that it requires recharging the battery and recharge everything.
Oh wow!
It's kind of interesting.
I have one of those party ones that doesn't work.
Well, they're called cradle fans. You can attach them to strollers or cradles to keep the bugs away from babies.
Oh wow! That's just sweet. Oh, I didn't even see that there. It's so cool. What is that?
I think the fence.
How do I figure out what my name is? I can't even remember. Maybe
Whoops.
that's why I don't get any hits.
That's probably it. This is such a cool store.
Well, we're gonna come here more often, I think. I might buy stuff each time I have money.
I think next time I'll buy that
Where are
antenna.
you guys from?
I'm from Newcastle.
I'm from Indianapolis.
Oh, well, I have lots of Indianapolis and Newcastle customers. I go to Newcastle and work. I put up antennas over there.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
that's cool.
Here I got pictures of. I got a TikTok of putting up an antenna in Newcastle.
Oh shit. This is a cool place.
You know, you could really get a lot out of a TikTok on fans because they don't want to look at something for an hour. They just want to look at.
Something and go.
Yeah. I've tried TikTok. I just don't have much luck with it.
What do you mean? What do you? What do you mean by that?
I mean, I've uploaded videos on there, and for some reason I just don't get as much hits as I do on YouTube.
Oh no, because you have a presence. That's what you have.
And I've had YouTube for over 10 years now, and I've uploaded it since I was in middle school. Man, this thing's got a long coast.
I really want that thing.
That's a really cool fan. I mean, this is the first A52 Ornate I've seen in the wild. Well, that I'm aware of. This one's got to be older, though.
If they ever get rid of that fan,
I want it.
I call Gibbs.
Okay, look, here it is. Here's my channel here.
Hold on. Good Lord, this takes a while.
That thing is definitely a good fan.
This fan is $12.99 and the battery is $13.99.
Alrighty.
Here, look at this. This is what my
There's the A52 Ornate in the Radio Shack store.